Hi there. The million-dollar question seems to be, how's the market? How is the market? How's the real estate market? What's going on? What's new? What's different? Are buyers now in absolute control? Has the bottom fallen out of the seller pricing? What's going on? Are we on a trajectory downward spiraling into the abyss? Has a bubble burst of some type? Well, what I would say is there is a definite loosening of inventory. This means that more properties are coming to the market, and that gives buyers more choices. There's still a tight situation. It's not a situation where if you're out on a weekend, you'll have, a dozen houses to see, but you might have 3 or 4, or you might have 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 instead of 1 or 2 maybes that you might have experienced back in January or February. People were worried about forbearance and what that might mean to the market. That is those the staved off foreclosure, short sale situations based upon people not making payments during COVID when they did not have income coming in. That inventory wasn't enough to really move a needle. It happened about 60 days ago. Much of that came to the market from what I was able to follow, and that was helpful in certain cases, but it didn't really make a huge impact, and most of that inventory has already been absorbed into the market. The market still favors sellers. Days on market is still very, very low. Most properties are still going under contract if they're priced accurately in the first weekend or the first few days of being on the market. And many sellers are receiving at least full price or slightly above full price for their houses in terms of where they were listed, again, if priced accurately, and enjoying lots and lots of appreciation. Last year the appreciation was about 24%. We don't think it'll be anything close to that. I've heard 12%, I've heard 16%, but that's still very, very healthy appreciation in any market. Buyers do have more choices. Instead of seeing maybe 1 house a week or 2 houses a week come to the market that might fit into your budget or your parameters, now you might have 4, 5, 6 houses coming to the market in your parameters that drop into your email on a daily basis, getting yourself ready for the weekend and going to look and see properties. So more choice, I see less desperation. I think it's a great market. I think it's a great market if you're a seller. I think it's a much better market if you're a buyer. So I think it's a good time to buy or sell. At the McWilliams Group, we feel like with trusted advice and careful guidance, you can feel safe and confident buying or selling real estate in this market. Please reach out to us today if we can be helpful to you. Thank you.